Hi, I'm Peter from Gardenworks. Today I want to show you how to use a water weeper hoses. They are particularly good at watering plants that are in a row, like a hedge. The action of this watering device waters directly downwards. It's not like a sprinkler that spreads wide. It really only waters about 8 inches wide. I'm going to place the water weeper hose by winding it in between the shrubs. Now you want to attach your garden hose to your water weeper hose. To avoid damage to your hose, only turn your tap on partially. It should be weeping, not spritzing or sprinkling. So you have your hose running and it's going very slowly. It's just dripping into the ground and it's perfect for nice deep soakings. Bear in mind that the tap is only open about a quarter turn, so you might need an hour of watering, maybe longer. So my suggestion is, after an hour, go and dig down and see how far the water has sunk into the ground. If it needs more water, leave the tap on a little longer. If it's done, you're done. For more gardening tips and advice, subscribe to our YouTube channel.